Highly qualified and dedicated faculty led by a foreign qualified dean that brings together a wealth of experience and expertise to your classrooms.
Here at School of Pharmacy, we are privileged to have highly equipped labs.
UMT is more than an institution. It's a community where potential is nurtured and future are shaped.
I met different people from different countries and explored new cultures.
And also personally by giving me opportunities of leadership.
Then the UMT School of Pharmacy is a better choice for your bright future.
We are committed to the skill-based training, advanced research, and strengthening industry-academia linkages to prepare our students for the real-world challenges.
Students get knowledge and also learn how to grow in personal and professional life.
We are extremely lucky, and you should be a part of UMT School of Pharmacy too.